celebrate all the good news. Scream it loud, talk about it. And by the way, they celebrate all those who go out of their way to print flyers on it. Fucking know that I'm a superstar. Don't care about.
Yeah, what's up everyone? It's your boy Rex. Once again, another day. Yeah, I'm thankful to be part of it, honestly. So yeah, today I woke up and then, in as much that my space is not that dirty, I'll give myself that credit. I keep my space clean and well arranged. So yeah, I'll give myself that credit. Yeah, I know. Thank you. So yeah, it's been like 3 weeks now. I've not really humoring, and then mob my play for the mobbing. It's been a long time. I mean, ever since moving to this apartment, that was just the first and last time I humoring the apartment. So I felt like it's just fair enough to do it today. And then I'm humoring the whole place, the space, the carpet, and then do some minor cleaning. It's not really a deep cleaning though. It's just a minor cleaning. So today is just a light cleaning session, and then we got the whole space looking fresh again. Let's get it. Just clean the glass. I think I'm done with the cleaning of the window glass and all that. So yeah, let's get to the remodeling. Then after we do the mobbing. So yeah, I don't know, but I felt like the cleaning is getting boring, and then I was just trying to figure out what's up, and then I realized there was no music at the background. How is that even possible? Once I figured it out, let's get the speakers banging straight up. Hey, so I decided to, not like I decided, bro. I'm really in the mood to listen to my boy Salvation. My boy Salvation, bro. You all need to check him out. Check him out, Salvation. Straight up, got some banging songs, banging music out there, So now the cleaner is about to get.
I've been in booty built out for your crime shit. One day on my new just hit it. It's on that you'll be having sex.
Let's go.
Your taxes keep
Let's go.
rising or expenses.
Hey, you also check him out, Salvation, bro.
Yeah, with the juice, with the hand, with the ball, with the cow, with the crew. With the see them fly, but I flew. Yeah, super body, they can't got my hand, yeah, I'm coming at you. Coming at you to this fame, got me living in life, I didn't want to. Flows to flows, I'm about to spit it up. Strike your pose, I'm about to switch it up. Rest to rest, I'm about to blow it up. The contract, I got it fill it up. Better, they hit it, gonna see me clever, see me wetter than ever. We sipping up and up, put it up for rubber, we no matter the weather, we better together, we made it, so fuck you, mother haters. Don't you fucking know that I'm a superstar? Don't care about your love, don't give a fuck about who you are. Step up on the show with so much love and fun. I'm the man, so please don't show us who you are. Don't you
up your body all night. Punani so put clean, it's all vibes, yeah. Rock it up, baby girl, come and rock it up. Wanna lick it up, edible like a lollipop. Yo, you bad up, bad, I just heard they caught up, but not. I don't try to fake it up, you can't get rid of bigger rapper. Do me this, do me that, better let me proper. How you must shop me mind, do me very better. I be pulling up inside, yeah. Loading, back a bigger boozing when she say.
So yeah, quick one. I've been sipping on some vitamins since I woke up. It's actually a regular thing I've been doing already, you know. So, but this time around, I'm taking a different vitamins. I mean, the vitamins a bit stronger than the usual I used to take because the weather is getting crazy. We entered into minus today, so I needed something stronger a bit, you know, just to, you know, keep the system active to face the weather. And then, yeah, I've been sipping on it. This is how it looks like. You just have to get one a day. You dip in the water, and then you'll be sipping throughout the day. It's pretty good. So, yeah, that's what I've been sipping on. Good vibes only, of course. Of course, good vibes only, bro. Cheers.
Top of every place, my body go frozen, dozing. Take it from the top, this everything. She got a sauce, different flavor. Rock up your body all night. Punani super too clean, it's all vibes. She got a sauce, different flavor. Rock up your body all night, yeah. Punani super too clean, it's all vibes. swear. Let it happen and go down for me. Also, mommy never think a story. Grab it tight and then go down.
Hey, check this one out. I feel like I'm in heaven right now, bro. I feel like shit. Top notch, not a hopeless, smelling absolutely nice with this. Check this out, pretty good. So yeah, finally done for the day, and thank you guys for staying with me. So meet again in my next video. You all stay put, stay real. Let's love lead, and above all, love is love. Hey, this right here is therapeutic. You all gotta try this for real.